Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Jukes and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. On my familiar set, so they can ask Zaha, say, what team make him no join Arsenal for 2019 because they know say in with Unai Emery, will be then Arsenal coach don't agree a deal in principle because Unai Emery don't do meeting with Zaha. Don't let Zaha know say I don't see the way they play, so no much long talk you get. So we go sign you, don't worry, just chill. So sure you want to join us? Zaha say yes, he would love to come. So after all, you don't see what I do now because Zaha don't already face Unai Emery Arsenal, so Unai Emery don't already scamp and know what team to bring to the table. So all of a sudden, the Arsenal hierarchy can't change their mind, say they don't want to sign him again. They can't overrule Unai Emery. They can't go bring Pepe. You get. So and that season, Pepe can't score 9 goals and I think 1 or 2 assists. So Zaha can't say, well, say they feel say Pepe did better than him. The team pains Zaha, I make no lie. So I know say now if say Arsenal won't face Crystal Palace, that's why they can't ask Zaha for that thing, say making come talk in mind, waiting really stop that time. So I know say the guy himself still wants make Arsenal sign him. Arsenal still in mind because instead won't come up for that Crystal Palace, they don't want making go because it's like they are goats for that place, like the greatest of all time. When they play for them, they're many more dependent on him. But that was in the past, but now if you say don't get Edison Odward, they can't get Olise, they can't get Gallagher, Guehi, get some kind of players who they play very well, and they won't even carry our own Edin Ketia. So I never know how everything goes up. So more the watcher. So still on this Zaha matter, so Paul Merson will be one of Arsenal legends. If not come outside talk, so it will make sense make Arsenal go back for this Wilfred Zaha because this guy na match winner. This guy na person will say if he did for flank, one defender no fit hold am. Watch matches where Crystal Palace they play against Man U, maybe against Man City. See the way the guy they bully some kind top defenders. The guy na one man riot. So if we sign him, this guy go fit control the flank for us. He go play very well. At least him and Saka go fit the rule Arsenal flanks. It will give us much squad depth. It will make some people say if you look at Benjamin, you will see some kind of people say this guy go to smile. So I don't know how I take see this Zaha moving to Arsenal with Paul Merson they recommend to Arteta, Edu Gaspar and Richard Garlick. Shey it makes sense? I be no make sense. Let me know. Arteta don't win manager of the month of March after he win 3 games and lose 1 match against Liverpool, and he win the thing against all those kind of top manager like Thomas Tuchel. So I did very happy for the guy. Maybe the guys have gone do like photo shoots with his team. He gets the team plenty. They did like 20 something. He was very happy and can dedicate him to the whole team. Say everything na hard work and say he thank everybody who contributed to this immense report, this immense progress. You get say their effort is seen, it is visible. So he thank all of them and the fans too say when they push the team, he thank all of us. We are just very happy. So at least the guy did deserve him because for the month of February they nominate him also, but in no way now Eddie Howe now win Eddie Howe of Newcastle. Now they can't nominate him again. He can't win for the month of March. I'm very happy for him. He deserves it. Then I'm monitoring spirit that they call for 7. Don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal they go back for Aouar. They show massive interest. They are going back. I'll be very happy if they go back for Aouar. We don't hear all this Arsenal is going back. Arsenal is going back. Now at the end of the season we will know. Even the Lyon president who they call Jean-Michel Aulas. That one said don't come outside. Can't talk say Aouar won't come off last season, but it was not possible for him. But make this season just end. This season has about 9 games for them. After it don't end, then they will see what the future holds. Because I know say now Aouar won't go. They give a contract extension. You know, accept. He has I think 1 more year left on the contract. So they know if he take that risk, remember about live for free. So they will be willing to capitalize on this one. Say they won't collect money from head. And from what you hear say Aouar no will cost more than 30-35 million pounds at most. You get, but Arsenal can still beat it down to 25 because not too long ago I think the 2 transfer windows before they hear say if Arsenal bring like 20 million pounds, they give us Aouar. But I don't see that one. I just talk his cheap. They no one sell them. They need them. So at the end of the day now, we don't know say this season Arsenal still need them because we always criticize Arsenal. Say we no go for Aouar, but we can't hear say now. Lyon no gree sell. That president very stingy man. You don't want to sell the guy. Well, we don't dey linked to many players as season don dey end and the transfer window go dey officially open. So I want make Arsenal conduct their deals quickly. This is why we don't dey contact this one, don't dey contact that one. Maybe we won't conduct our deals quickly, as in agree a deal in principle. Then once season open, we send money. What do you watch? At the same time, we call the say Arsenal they show interest for Torino centre back who they call Glesson Bremer. The guy, me, I don't know how he really they play, because when me actually I watch Torino match, but when the say we dey interested in the guy, for us to be interested, it will show say the guy go dey very good. But why are we needing a centre back again? I think so we don't get Gabriel Magalhaes, Ben White, Rob Holding. Don't forget say Papemari go on loan to Udinese, they come back. Don't forget say we still get Trusty who signed from America. Don't forget say Saliba still they come back. So come on, I don't understand. What are we doing? So this one with this good day link to Bremer again. What's the plan? Robert Pires don't come as I can praise Arteta for winning the manager of the month, and at the same time can praise Arteta for putting massive faith in youth. You get, not be every manager go come when they put faith in youth, when they start some kind of young players ahead of some kind of senior players. You get, they give them a chance to come and prove themselves. That is why Arsenal has the youngest team sheet in the EPL. E no dey very easy, so in thank Arteta. And at the same time, we can talk say all these young stars wey Arteta gets, na them be the future. And the sweet part be say Arteta don find the right formula how to mix this youth and experience. So all those kind Granit Xhaka, Thomas Partey, all those people then did there to guide the team. All those Lacazette them, they go to guide the young stars, show them the lights and let them know how it be to play for a big club like Arsenal. Because in the future, they are going to grow together and grow with a young manager. Don't forget, say Arteta also is one of the youngest managers in EPL. So we just thank Arteta and his team for what they do for Arsenal. When I see all these kind of things from some like our legends that we talk, and they're very happy because in the past we could hear Arteta out. Now fast forward in the future, we don't reap the fruits of our labor. So I'm very, very happy. My Ghana report wey dey come outside for Everton, so we come hear say Everton financial reports don come outside, come dey reveal say Everton get 121 million loss. E get, so because of this loss wey they don get, they are willing to sell one of their two prized assets. So Everton dey willing to sell either Richarlison or Dominic Calvert-Lewin to offset some of these losses wey they don incur. So I never know. I know say Arsenal don dey linked to these two players in the past. So whether would they go back for the two of them or would they go for just one? If one go for one, which one I would like to sign? Should I sign Dominic Calvert-Lewin or I sign Richarlison? Which one would I go prefer? On a Portuguese media outlet, so they call Ebola. Don't come outside and talk. Say this Darwin Nunes. Say anybody want buy him. Say you know go cost that 67 million pounds. What they quotes before. Say the valuation don't be very low now. Say at least you are expected to pay 50 million pounds if you want sign the guy. Say Benfica they willing to sell if anybody go fit match their valuation. Nobody's a secret cow. Anybody can be sold as long as the money is right. They will get their own replacement. Even yesterday said they play against Braga. I think Braga beats them 3-2. Benfica, I don't just understand them. They know they are as powerful for their league the way they do. They dominate the league, but for Braga to beat them that yesterday, go watch the match. What say shock me. Gary Neville himself, maybe one of our super pundits, don't come as I call it talk. Say this speaker at the time, say really like the manager, say like the way the guy they do, say the guy they very, very brilliant, and not just his brilliance, he can pack some kind children. Maybe say themselves they super brilliant, say coaching they brilliant, students they brilliant, say everything can they excel, and all these things they come from the back of Arteta winning the manager of the month. Everybody don't come outside and they talk good things about Arteta. They come they sing Arteta praises, and when you hear things like this, come on, does it not make you happy? See that they sing the praises of your coach instead of saying negative things about him. The way that they talk about Ralf Rangnick and Conte and the rest of them, see the way they talk sweet things alone about our coaching, and all this one are because we trust the process. We allow the gaffer to do his job. We know they interfere. That is why I love what is going on. They give me some kind of sweet tingling sensation in my body. Fiorentina people say they don't do meetings, so they're going to really say, okay, how this guy permanent transfer go for Italy. They're going to discuss the way it go be, how much it go be, because at the end of the summer, in loan deal to Fiorentina go expire, and he's not expected to return to Arsenal because he's surplus to requirements. We don't really need that, so want him to remain there, and we really see that kind of 15 million pounds or thereabouts. Now I go settle the matter. So anyhow way this deal go on, I go let you know because the guy don't find a foot for Fiorentina. He don't live for their first team sheet. For Arsenal in the language for Benjamin under Unai Emery was still playing. You know, this guy was one of the players who we say in the past for our midfield. They hail and say, Torreira enter field like this. Everybody will be happy saying day, but just that is very brief. He's not that tall like that. He's petite. So that's why I believe Arteta don't really like her, because as a defensive midfielder, he's supposed to tall, or unless you are very, very gifted, because some kind of balls will come. What he go do? I want to jump. So that's why. Well, we wish him all the best of luck. I hope say in deal with Fiorentina will go well, make him join them. There's another surprising news. Look on the hit social media and the media waves. So on the yesterday, they say Hull City, they prepare for a move to sign Ozil from Fenerbahce. You know, say they don't come out Ozil from Fenerbahce squad, they can like suspend them indefinitely. So Hull City new owner, what they call Akun Ilkali. I think this guy is a Turkish dissident, because the guy like Ozil. So the guy won't make a mark for that Turkish, for that Hull City team. Because also want bring Ozil to the team. So I never know whether Ozil will agree to join them for Hull City, because it will be a massive step down, like a massive downgrade, like from grace to grass. How can you move from Fenerbahce to Hull City? Come on, man, come on. Ozil. I never know whether the guy will agree to move. Well, if he agree, anyhow the deal they go, I will let you know. There's still on the media setting, so Pep Guardiola don't come out from media setting when they complain about the match with them play against Crystal Palace. So Babaka they talk about the pitch. You don't see them play very well on that day. They play, they attack well, everybody watch the game. But once we can hamper their progress, nobody saying that Crystal Palace played very well. Now the pitch, say the grass was not perfect. Glad to them leave the grass may grow too much. I know say you will be team, no be saying that they play free flowing football, all those kind of grass. You go to stop, you go to hamper the progress of the ball. Ball not going to progress quickly. So that is why I need believe say Crystal Palace do that thing on purpose. So wetin make I call a complaint, and wetin come make this news this significant to us, we say we self dey play the kind of football wey Man City dey play, because our coaching learn work from their own coaching hand. So now see the same free flowing football, the philosophy they like minded, it dey similar. So if that kind of thing affect Man City, it dey likely going to affect us, because if they go deploy that tactics to us, so we need to know in advance now, so we know how we take go around that tactics. So I don't like the complaint. So we say I believe say our coaching, because Arteta he don't reason, don't hear what them talk, so we go down dey look for a plan B, either na square play or square play to not, because all those tiki taka if e no work. Even our Daily Express, so be one of our monitoring spirit, don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal they monitor Osimhen, and at the same time they monitor Lautaro Martinez. Say these two people, then they high up on Arsenal wish list. Arsenal would like to sign one of them, but the problem is say none of them will come cheap. Two of them they willing to move, you get the teams they willing to sell, but she Arsenal get the money to price them, come up for their team hand. Nobody is a sacred cow in their club. Anybody can be sold as long as the money is right. So that's the thing. So I never know. If they say make I ask you now, who na go say most time, because we don't dey linked to many strikers. Darwin Núñez dey there, Dominic Calvert-Lewin dey there, Lautaro Martinez dey there, Osimhen dey there. People na top two. When I go say okay, make sign these two, say next season with these two, we are blazing hot with these two. So wetin be na choice? And at the same time, our monitoring spirit, so that they call the Sun, also they come outside, they let us know say Kieran Tierney, they fully committed to Arsenal. You get say he no get anywhere when they go. They, despite the interest of Real Madrid, they say Real Madrid said they willing to offer £50 million. Say him no they willing to go anywhere. In contract said will expire 2026. So Arteta no they willing to sell him. So nothing. He's one of our future captains. Person we say we put for Peresta, we groom her to take the captain armband in the future. But say Real Madrid don't sell him, so he's not going anywhere. Arsenal no get any plan whatsoever to sell him. So if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click am so that you go get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's Achuk signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day as usual. Now game out.